But I can't see if you're right here next to me.
Hi guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina. Today I'll show you how I create this makeup look right here. Basically this is an everyday, very quick makeup routine. This is an amazing makeup that you can wear it on a daily basis or for a special occasion as well. This is kind of neutral makeup, but so wearable to any occasion. First of all, this video is not sponsored by any means. These all products I bought by myself. And if you wanna know how I created this everyday makeup look, please keep on watching. As you can see, I have no makeup on my face. I just washed my face. My skin is hydrated now, and we can go right into the makeup. Basically, now I use my foundation, but by the way, my camera didn't film it, I'm sorry, so I'll show you again what I did, over what I did already. And basically I'm using not a Estee Lauder double wear that everybody is saying that is so good, but this is Eveline, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a very good and really budget product. If you can order it online, this will save your life. This is like a BB cream, but this covers so well. By the way, this is my favorite at the moment for everyday use, because I don't feel it. For 5 minutes it will be like different color, but after 5 minutes the color is changing and it looks like yours. And it's not heavy at all. It's not like Estee Lauder, more like flowy. I'm doing everything for foundation with my hands. I'm warming up the product and then apply it onto my face basically, and I am distributing through on all my face this product with my hands, because it warms up so well when you are covering your face with your hands, because of the temperature of your hands, and your face smooths out so well. So try it. And let's be honest, not everybody is using their brushes to do this, and me as well. I love everything quick and simple, especially for everyday. So basically I'm applying this thing on my face.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now?
I like to use my brush for applying a concealer or something under my eyes, because this will give not too much cover, but this will help us to not accentuate the creases under our eyes. So I'm smoothing everything out a little bit, like so. And over my eyelid as well, because I'm not using a primer today, so this will be our primer. Then, and by the way, I'm not always using a concealer, especially for everyday use. I like to keep everything minimal, okay? Now, another product that gives more coverage, just to cover some of my post-acne. I'm using this thing. Yes, it's so simple as that. It's not a concealer. This is what I have found here. Okay, that will work. So you can use a product that is covering better. So I love this thing from Golden Rose. And then I'm taking my brush again and smooth sculpt a little bit my face, if I can say so. And I'm accentuating, so I'm using the shadow, this color, onto my brush, not too much because it's an everyday makeup. And also I like to give some shadows to my temples, if I can call them hairline. So I'm darkening just a little bit. Okay, and I'm using the same brush, by the way. I'm not changing the brush like I'm doing with a professional makeup. Then I'm grabbing my luminizer. It's by MAC. If you need some details, you can ask me in comments down below. There's no problem. I'll talk to you in comments. So I'm grabbing that just a little bit. If I feel that this is too much, I'm doing like that. I basically left and accentuating the V of my lips, like so. So this will give us a little more dimension and more volume, you can say, for now. So I'll grab something more like coopery. I like cooper. I like this color. It's not for everyone, especially for those with darker hair or ashy blonde. Yes, I'm doing. If you can see, this is a little bit coopery. This is a pomade as well. And we are doing the same thing. No. We'll repeat this thing on other brow as well. I think I'm happy because we don't have too much time. This is our everyday makeup look, and then I'm grabbing my eyebrow gel, and we are brushing up our hair of our brows. Here we grab today a liquid eyeshadow because it's so easy to work with. So we are grabbing our liquid light eyeshadow. This is from Glamorous, that's Turkish brand. And yes, we are taking again our fingers, and with our ring finger we will tap into our color. So here's my eyebrow gel. Here is our eyeshadow, and we will apply onto our eyelid, tapping it into our eyelid like I'm showing. Like that. And by the way, guys, I love it. That's basically this color I tried for the first time. I did it with the golden one, and now we are repeating the same thing on the other eyelid. So at this point, make sure to do everything quickly because it dries so quickly. Now we will take our brush, and you want to tap it if it's already dry. You want to tap it again. You do the same thing on the other side. I think I'll grab this kind of orange, I think, color with my finger and apply it only onto the center of our eyelid. Then I have to grab the same brush. I'm grabbing the same eyeshadow and accentuate the lower lashes, the lower eyelid, if I can say so. I don't know. Not too much, just a little bit. It's not sponsored, kind of a little beige pinkish color. So I'll draw the underline for a natural look. Bring a darker color And so the eyelashes line, very thin line. This is just for kiss. Eyelashes. I'm using Vivian Sabot Cabaret.
Never look back, now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing can be a life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my...
I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!